In this video, we will answer the question of what is an operating system. At the end of the video, you will have information about all these terms. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. An operating system is a software that serves as an intermediary between computer hardware and the computer user. It manages and coordinates various hardware and software components to provide a stable and efficient computing environment. Here are the key functions and components of an operating system. The OS manages processes, which are running instances of programs. It schedules these processes to ensure that each gets a fair share of the CPU time. The OS handles the creation and termination of processes, including allocating and releasing resources. The OS manages virtual memory, allowing programs to use more memory than physically available by using a combination of RAM and disk space. It allocates memory space for processes and deals it when the processes finish. The OS provides services for creating, deleting, and organizing files on storage devices. It manages access to files, ensuring that only authorized users or processes can read or modify specific files. The OS uses device drivers to communicate with hardware devices such as printers, keyboards, and disks. It manages input and output operations, ensuring that data is transferred between the computer and its peripherals efficiently. The OS provides a way for users to interact with the computer. This could be through text commands or graphical elements. The OS ensures that only authorized users can access the system by requiring login credentials. It implements security measures to protect data from unauthorized access or modification. The OS includes networking protocols to enable communication between computers on a network. It facilitates sharing of resources such as files and printers over a network. The OS detects errors in both hardware and software and takes appropriate actions to correct or report them. The OS provides a set of system calls that allow applications to request services from the operating system. The kernel is the core part of the operating system that directly interacts with the hardware. It manages system resources and provides essential services. Popular examples of operating systems include Microsoft Windows, macOS, Linux, and Unix. Each of these has its own features and design principles, but they all share the common goal of providing a platform for efficient and user-friendly computing. In this video, we learned what is in general in the operating system and what it does. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.